Morning, folks. Welcome back. We're at the Glamper. I'm just checking this out, man. I opened up the shed to get the bird seed out, and we got steam coming off the doors. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm easily entertained this morning when I'm half asleep. All right. Anyhow, I'm going to get lazy and use the golf cart to go across the yard to feed the last. Fill the last bird feeder. There's Richard Jean, the fishing machine. I need to get this boat sold so I can buy a trolling motor for the bass boat. Anyhow, time to go off-roading here in a minute. Fill that other bird feeder. Here we go. Yeehaw. Oop. About busted my ass. I got some repairs to make on the tarp. Over here is today's project. We're going to put a new top on that deck. Alright, here we go. There's a bird feeder. Be back. Well, it doesn't take them little birds long to find that food. They're already chattering at me to get the hell out of their area so they can eat. But I always like to put some down on the ground over here for the smaller ones. Hell, I already chased a sparrow off. Alright. So we'll have, yep, look at there. There's a, I think that's a female blue jay. Oh yeah. I got cardinals above my head, man. These fellas are ready for me to get the hell out of their way. Ah, yeah. Well, this is cool. Oh, yeah. Good to be back to the camper. I think Trina's in there asleep. That's hilarious, man. I guess I need to get myself out of the way. They're hungry. That's funny. I only filled these things up, what, maybe 5 minutes ago? It's crazy. All right, let me get out of their way. Oh. Nature. It looks like our structure's in pretty good shape. I got that right there I'm a little worried about. But there's ways to fix that. Not a problemo. And so went to a pawn shop and found that nice bar right there. Comes in handy, and then I got a big crowbar. It was $15 cash. Good deal. Alright folks, the deck itself has been built, and now we're going to the leftover pieces of the actual decking. I'm cutting them down to 22 inches a piece. There's going to be 22 of these. It's going to go across the front of that deck to hide the opening in the front that we revealed whenever we took that thing apart. So that's what I'm doing today. It's Sunday, March 1st, and I don't think we've gotten to 70 degrees yet. It's cloudy and windy, so it kind of put a damper on things, but oh well. I'm out of the wind, got plenty of light, and yeah, got a saw. So this will be all I get done this weekend. I'll get those cut, and then they'll be ready to install the next time we come out. And then the next project is building a deck on the front of ours, and kind of do some things differently this year. Anyway, I'm going to bring this video to a close. I might add some pictures, or maybe there might be a video segment that I may add on after this, but just in case I don't get to, you guys have a great week. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and of course, subscribe to the channel. You guys have a great week once again, and I will catch you on the next video.